Introducing Build a Garden Captivating Floral Swag. We'll have a look at the layering guide, starting with the two A2 full-size card examples, showing the supplies used on the back. In the center, you'll see a finished image and the inks used to create that image, as well as shown throughout the stencil openings. We'll fold this up and look at what else we get with our Build a Garden. We're also going to receive this beautiful layering stencil set. It's 5 pieces. We will also receive a mini ink blending tool. And for an additional purchase in the store this month, there is an add-on die set to cut out the outline image and the 3 bolded words. We're going to get started with our ink blending. We'll begin on stencil 1, A1, and we will begin with Puffy Heart ink. Next, on stencil 1, A2, we will use Baby Pink ink. Now, please make sure to pay attention to when the outline image is showing so you know exactly where to stencil for that step, as well as consult your layering guide. A3 on stencil 1 will be used magenta. We will go ahead and move to stencil 2A4, and we will be using purple wine. And I'm just showing, I did emboss my image, so it's good to wipe off the excess ink off the embossed lines when you are ink blending. Finally, on stencil 2A5, we'll use Cosmic Berry, and that will finish off our floral coloring, except for the centers. So for our centers on stencil number 3, A6, we'll use the beautiful amethyst. I'm just making sure that's aligned perfectly. We'll go ahead and we will get that cleaned up and realigned. And now I'm going to start on stencil 3, B1, which is all of the leaves and extra elements. And I'm using eucalyptus on these leaves here. Next, I'll start with Misty Sage on the smaller leaves and the leaves that almost look like succulents. Now we'll go ahead and we'll fill in the stems with almond butter. And I am moving around a little on stencil 3, as there is one in the main arrangement and then one off to the side. There's also an additional leaf that will color in with eucalyptus that is on the side of stencil number 3. Then we'll go ahead and we will get stencil number 4 in place, and we will fill in the flower centers with plum. We'll get that stencil cleaned and we will get that put back into position, and we will go ahead and use Mossy Meadow for the little leaves. We will go ahead and use the beautiful green opal on the shapes that look like succulents. And then we will use forest fern on top of the eucalyptus leaves that we did in a previous step. And then we'll add milk chocolate to our stems that we previously used almond butter. And don't forget to add the details to those extra pieces that we did on stencil 3. So that will include the little stem and that little leaf there. Next, we can go ahead and move on to our final stencil. Stencil number 5 will fill in the little succulent leaves with Mossy Meadow on this one. The flower centers will be done with plum. And finally, on the bottom of stencil 5, we will fill in with green opal. And that will complete our layering. Here you'll see some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Build a Garden Captivating Floral Swag and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.